Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 hanging, freezing, and slow problems. First step is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Second step is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Disable unwanted startup apps one by one. Third step is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk space, /f space, /x space, /r space, /clan. Restart system. After completing 100%, the system automatically restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.